Hey people, welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare a tasty and easy snack that most of the people crave in rainy seasons, that is onion bonda. Chalo, let's prepare. Take chopping board, chop onions vertically. Once done, transfer it into a plate. Now take a bowl, sieve around 2 cups gram flour, 1 cup rice flour, 3 tablespoons chili powder, salt as per taste, chopped onions, 2 tablespoon jeera, add some water and prepare sticky mixture. Take a pan, pour oil for deep fry. Let's check oil is ready or not. Once ready, drop it in oil. Deep fry until it's golden brown color. Once done, transfer it into a plate. Tasty onion bonda is ready to eat. You can have it with sauce, green chutney, red chutney, mayonnaise as you like. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.